My set hat brings all the boys to the yard. I'm like, get out of my yard. I'm like, get out of my yard. So, I'm a little dizzy. I am Aaron from Sibling Rivalry, and it's the 5th day of Advent, so that means we're going to be doing day 5 of our Lego Advent calendar. Alright, so now that the dizzy spell is passed, we're going to get started here. So day 5, let's open this up. And something Val and I were talking about was holiday food and treats and snacks and stuff like that. Are there any foods like fruitcake or truffles that you and your family make? Let us know down in the comments below. This looks like a small kit. I'm not looking at the panel yet. Okay, it's a little toboggan for the dude. Or for the doge. Okay, so yeah, let's get started on that. So back on the topic of food, because food is just the greatest motivator of all. We have this recipe that our mom used to make with us growing up, and we're going to continue the tradition and make it for a bunch of family members this year. We call them bobo balls. I think they're like chocolate truffles, and you take like the chocolate truffle and you roll it in cocoa powder and other stuff. So if you're a family member, you have that to look forward to. And we're actually going to do a video on that, so we'll have a link probably down below when we do that. And let us know down below what sort of recipes and stuff like that you guys do with your families, if any. I know there's all sorts of different cultures of different things for, I almost said Thanksgiving, for Christmas. So, yeah, let us know. So this is a toboggan. Okay, so how many times can you say it's a toboggan? The toboggan, this is. So it's got little blades, which is kind of cool. I guess you could actually make them as skates for your Lego man. And you just take these brown 4x1s and put one on each end, like so. You do that for both. I think this might actually be large enough to hold the dog. The dog. Diggity dog. Okay, so, and then you take the, I guess, tan colored 4x1s and you attach them to the middle 2 pegs, like that. And we do this. I'm trying to figure out, oh, that's a snow hill. That's clever. So, I was trying to figure out where these white parts go, and I'm like, they don't match the color, they don't seem to be used in the sled. And then I noticed next to it is a little snow hill, so you just attach it like that. And let's see if we can get that. Yeah, good enough. Yeah, so it makes a little sled, or a little hill for the toboggan. We've got an extra blade, so you can equip the dog or the kid with it, and they can use it as a weapon on Christmas. So, one-legged skater. Oh, it's almost time to take the boys, and now they're freaking out. Hey, Duncan. Hey, buddy, you want to go for it? Oh, more than anything. Oh, more than anything. Why are you filming? Why are you filming me? I didn't sign an NDA or a release. No. Okay, so yeah, that is. I guess you can. I did that different, so you could fit the kid on there, but it's supposed to go like that, so it's supposed to be a little thing under there. So yeah, you can put stand the kid on it. So the Doge. You remember the Dogie from yesterday? The Dogie. Dog on the car, kid on the sleigh, Fast and Furious right there. It's the train scene or whatever. where they like jump over the train tracks. Oh, I got Duncan. I got a Duncan. No. All right, so I think that about covers the build for today. Let us know what you think about the kit down below. It's pretty cool. You can modify it and you can do all sorts of stuff with it. Make sure you ring the bell for notifications if you're subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe. We upload new content every day for the next 19 days, I guess. And we do Mondays and Thursdays with regular content, long form videos. And yeah, like if you like the video, comment if you got something to say, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy holidays.